Hey there, YouTube world. A couple weeks ago, I took this Chevy 216 out of this 1938 Chevy Carryall. Let's roll the footage back a couple weeks and show you how I disassembled this thing. Figured out what was wrong with it. Roll the footage. Well, it looks like I need to take the valve cover off. Carburetor, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, take the water pump, all the stuff off the front. Strip it down, take the head off of it, take the oil pan off of it, figure out what's knocking in the bottom of the motor. Go from there. Let's take the fuel pump line off. This will probably end up taking the fuel pump off completely. Gonna slide the clamp back on the hose and tighten it up a little bit so we don't lose it. Put the bolt back so we don't lose it. Here we go. Let's take the valve cover off, see what's inside. It's pretty clean. Valve cover is nice and clean. Let's take the vacuum line off the carburetor. Take the cotter pin out. Mr. Cotta. There we go. Let's put the nuts back on so we don't lose them or damage the threads somehow while we're working on things. Tight spot. Tight spot. Ooh. Ooh, it's got gland rings in it. Yeah, it's got a gland ring. See if we can get these studs out without destroying everything. Look at that. Don't even need the wrench. There it goes. Yeah, look at this. This was not hooked up. It's bent. Let's just get after it with the old school open end wrench. There it is. All right. And another Ziploc bag. Put the nuts and bolts in. Put those with the distributor. Take the coil off. Well, that was nice and easy. Dropping stuff. A little crusty in there. Just a little bit. Let's go after the starter. Not very much clearance there for the wrench. Let's put the bolts back so we don't lose them. Oh, there we go. Clean up aisle 2. Oh, great. I just cleaned that up. Hey. Put this in a bag. Put it with the rest. Looks pretty good in there. What do you think? Not good. So all this sludge in the coolant system was a real good reason to pull this thing apart so I can get the water jacket cleaned out so it'll cool properly. That's a big old piece of something right there that was in the cooling system. It was sitting right on top of this hole. Ta-da! Well, that was a lot easier taking the oil pan off with the motor out of the truck. Last time we did that in the truck, and that was not enjoyable. Hey, that one might be a knocker. Look at that, looks like it's been blued. It's been hot and the dipper's missing. That's not good. Supposed to be a dipper right here. See this one here? Has a dipper. All right, there you go. Tore the engine down, figured out what was wrong with it. Next time we will put this thing back together, get it back in the truck, get this piece of history rolling back down the road. Until next time, roll the credits.